Uh, Hello everyone. Here we'll practice task 3. Conversion, we cause a topic about yourself. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fahri Zaki Pili. My student number 06121182328009. And my friend,
Hello everyone, my name is Ruth Octavia Rika Sianturi. My student number is 03071282227054. Now we will start. Hi Fakri, are you ready for our USEP class today?
not really. I am little nervous study last night, but I still feel like I don't understand everything.
Sam here. Which part do you think is the most difficult?
For me, listening is probably the hardest part sometimes, and I understand the word, but when the speaker talks too fast, I lost track of the conversion.
I totally understand. I have the same problem. Sometimes I understand the first sentence, but then I suddenly don't know what they are talking about.
Actually, and we can ask the speaker to repeat the sentence during the test.
That's why I think we need to practice listening more often.
Usually, I usually listen to English video or podcast when I have free time.
Do you understand everything when you listen to them?
No, not everything. At first, I only understood about half of the day side, but after reflecting several times, I started to understand more.
Do you use subtitle?
Sometimes I usually listen without subtitle first. After that, I turn on the subtitle to check which word I miss.
That's a good method. I usually use the subtitle from the beginning.
You should try listening with subtitles sometime, and I can help you get you to different accent and the speaking speed.
I'll try that. What about grammar? Do you think the grammar is difficult?
For me, grammar is also quick, even especially tense. I understand the basic rules, but sometimes I get confused when the questions are more complete.
I have the same problem. Sometimes I understand the grammar rule, but I choose the wrong answer because I don't pay enough attention to the sentence.
Actually, that why we should just memorize grammar for we also need to understand the context.
I agree. What about reading? Are you good at reading?
I think reading is easier for me than listen, but the time limit is problem.
Same. Sometimes I spend too much time reading one passage, especially when there are many unfamiliar words.
When I find an unfamiliar word, I try guess the meaning from the context instead of infidelity looking it up.
That's good strategy. During the USEP test, we can look up every word.
Actually, we have to understand the general meaning of the phrase and define the main idea.
I think vocabulary is also important for USEP.
Different I we know more vocabulary, listen and reading we become easier.
I've been trying to learn new vocabulary every day. I usually write the word in my notebook and make a sample sentence.
That a good idea. I usually just memorize the meaning, but sometimes I forget the word after a few days.
You should try making sentence with them. It helps you remember the word better.
I try that. Maybe we can study vocabulary together.
Sure, we can test each other.
Good idea. We can meet in like a quiz.
Deal. Okay,
That I'll from you. Thank you.
thank you everyone.